Welcome back. In part 1 of polls and surveys, we looked at adding a poll to your intranet. Today we are going to be looking at adding a survey. Polls and surveys are found in the administrative area of your intranet. From here, we'll search for surveys where they are both found, and we'll select Add Survey. It will prompt us for the title, an existing survey, and I can choose my start and end date. From here, I can add a description of the survey, modify that start and end date, and have the option to make my survey completely anonymous. I have a few options for tracking voting, as well as whether I would like to show my results immediately after my user finishes or keep those results for my admins only. I can show the results for a certain amount of days, and then I've got the option for a thank you page at the end of my survey. A survey can have many sections and many questions. Today we're just going to have one question and one section in our survey. Our question will be, how do you commute to work? We'll add in our question, and then some new fields appear. From here, we'll add in the options available to this question. You will select the option type, how you would like your users to be able to select the different options. You might want radio buttons with scores, checkboxes with text inputs, or just radio buttons with additional text inputs as well. For this option, we're just going to add a text input to my other box so my users can give me a little bit more information. Make sure to save your changes. And now my survey will show up on the home page.